I just saw a video of an NPP man na utie analysis a woye efa Bawumia ho a enya asem ketwa na say clearly no to me hu say me maka NPP me ye kan obi a me feel say oye candidate na nkobeboa NPP party ne pa na nke ye boachi eja akon na so I know say nya the NPP for be selecting da ati ase omo a NPP for the omo be ni na no me feel say omo ni na nkomo match up to boachi eja akon but omo fa ne mbada bo obi anim say omo mpe Bawumia de ye be impose no ye de never to NPP force whether they like it or not. And the reason why is the only reason why NPP for person mukoko to aba because in Grofo amomo lose elections less than a year. And just about a year. Na mo to aba a select obi enimu ya no obi enim say Bawumia na trese o enimu na trese mo pese mo ya sanso de shanensa. NPP focus rubber form and that me say President Akufo-Addo is still handling the party, and there is nothing they can do about it. And as well as President Akufo-Addo is handling the party, they should forget about being coming to power. But then in Nemuno, obi the analysis about me the analysis no NPP, an alleged NPP man. Me the analysis number 2 na obi be but before no, and that your first time was subscribing, na click the notification bell so. We are the latest news be about once ebeka. Na obi bia wutie me bia wefu eso a opese wefu eba form in 10 no. Eye book na e wo screen so no me recommend ama. Book yi ebetre wonyama miensa. Na sa nyama miensa no to me di super pepe a. Me say me ma 1 month pe. Obi unse nya wefu beba form. Na me amene mu kase embre bi na befu ni. And the same person me amefu eni. Man koi man to edro me say obi ka dress obema wedro no medro ebema wefu aba oboa edro bi eni ebema wefu aba form me traw opese wefu ba form a to book ni 100 cedis pe ope book ni bi ato afre and answer WhatsApp 055 807 4986 na me straight ye ni ye book no me say eye book enye edro mo aya na mo fra mo ka tre me say eye edro no eye book enye edro me sramo na ope book ni bi ato a ana number na me dia to screen so no WhatsApp number no ana free number no book no benya ni PDF ubenya wa WhatsApp ana ni twi video uni makenkan a eno ewo ho ana the ever video so wunti twi na uni makenkan so a the ever video if you don't understand twi you can take the ever video. There is a link in the comments box and there is a link in wherever you are watching from link our comment box mu. Whether YouTube or Facebook, or click here on Sabeka book maybe. If you've clicked the link in the comment box, now what to book no, and I wait here can now unsanka book na. What your friend number way? Just call the same number, okay, or WhatsApp the same number. You get the book. Book need when you chia can obenya, so don't worry. Obian fa osike ngane. Anyway, yentie eye papa nensemo oka.
Go to Upper East. It is not in Ghana. We have 15 constituencies in Upper East. NPP had 0 in the last election. Such a place. Usi me come on. Akwe flag bearer. Are you strategic? The Bawumia represent what?
Into say ti asemo account. I say NPP for 2028. Mu nim na mu ko chusu Bawumia mu belusu. Di entia. I say ko Upper East region. Baby Bawumia wo free. Yentia asemo awoka.
Dombo free northern region of Upper West. Dombo was from
Okasapa.
Go to Upper East. It is not in Ghana. We have 15 constituencies in Upper East. NPP had 0 in the last election.
I say Upper East region, 15 constituencies. NPP nya 0, right?
A place. Usi me come on. Akwe flag bearer. Are you strategic? The Bawumia represent what? The Dombo free northern region of
My men share we are seeing Nkrofo ntiase. Unse NPP for ya na asemo mo kan say eye dankwa buzia dombo right eya na de bi asemo mo kan no say omo party no eye based on dankwa buzia dombo omo ideology some the former party no eya na asemo mo kan say dankwa side no eye eastern region President Akufo-Addo mo buzia side no eye more like the Ashanti region and eya na mo person mo say dombo side no eye the northern region. Into omo kan Kufuor a omo se Kufuor every the Buzia side. Omo kan Akufo-Addo a omo se ono nso free the Dankwa side. Inti ende omo support Bawumia ne nsem ye omo kan say yenkofa dombo tre say in the north papa nsem o kan no obeso tre say Bawumia no on free baby ado osi baby adombo fi no Bawumia free ho it is almost mo kofa dombo a Bawumia is not the person am beka sem ho kwa kofa no hey Wenzuni.
Upper West. Was from Upper West. Upper West.
Okay.
Now you see, Dr. Bawumia will free Northeast. No. What represented Dumba. The North is a block. Northern Ghana is a block. So if you presented a Northern candidate, Northern flag bearer in 2024, and he scored 0 in Upper West, scored 0 in Upper East, and scored insignificant number of constituencies in Northern region, Sanipa we Esakase, Yemfanunko as flag bearer as a party. If this party is strategic, this party is hungry for power in. Go to Upper East.
Serious. I say Bawumia is coming from the northern block, right? If for nothing at all, and can we say Bawumia or did the northern votes ever? But in the history of NPP, in fact, even President Akufo-Addo will feel Eastern region or Yadia in the northern sector of this country than Bawumia. Inti say ono ankasa baby a wo free. Say anko yia. Die ntia na NPP for mo sanso ko fa nipa kro na eden. Ede na ba. NPP for mo bi mo punchline so. Mo bi mo punchlines pa. Tiensemo oka fa Bawumia ho anya asempita. You see, aside everything else, listen, this is what I'm going to say, my honest opinion about Bawumia. And me NDC ni, right? I'm always going to say that me NDC ni. But aside being NDC ni no, me students of politics. Now that being said, make us a student of politics, and that being said, Mr. Sawuti me na watro wasi, and an of death. Now results na ankoye. Na opesa sanso tro. And I say opesa koye course be or university, so results in ya. Recommend this Sanctuary College amount. If you're a student of this school, utro wasi na obe pass with a year flying colors. The only reason why me recommend this school way amount, and it's obi biawa or register with school way no e pass with distinction. Na frewomo. It was 05377302272. 05377302272. Now that being said, me say me a student of politics. Into aside the facts that me NDC in me person me analyze it. I personally think that idea bakwa amwa Bawumia the politicization of the dollar rate. And the ama Bawumia the political career. Akwakoye nyama. The NPP for they will deny it. But the truth of the matter is say Bawumia's political career aye nyama. The ama Bawumia political career aye nyama the politicization of the dollar rate. Obia or politicize the dollar rate will chrome her Bawumia. First, no, yes, na nkrofo kan wa ban we was so a dollar rate ni yes na nkrofo kan. But obi a wo ba be ye ne kese politicizing ne kese ma politics ba be wure mu kese Dr. Bawumia, Dr. Alhaji Bawumia. Ono the politicize the dollar rate. O ma yet ya say NDC $4 rate a wo mo be fa from 1 e de call 4 no NDC a bon ye hu bi da. E ma yet ya say ono o nyansa e wo nimde was ade no just for the NPP to come. For the dollar rate to move from 4 to 17. So I DNA see here under NPP no. And no ena assay Bawumia ne political career. Me say opa GD, opa main jindi. But on the grounds, that is the truth. Naka Bawumia, during the course of politics na war ye no, embra na Mahama ne first term. Naka one politicized dollar rate. Naka ende Bawumia at least Naka obewa some goodwill ewa Ghana for him. But dollar rates no babe say ya afe Bawumia wo dwane ye from economy or diniti kwakwa share digitization ase no. Ena Ghana for who say say papa wonye no kware for. And that is the enona and the assay Bawumia asa. Because oko kan wasem saying no matter the defense miracles abuajemo ye omwadwen say be defend Bawumia. No matter what they say, oko kan wasem saying. Asem no oko kan ne saying. Oko kan asem ne saying. Oye two no say nipa kro di free one eba for no wabon unim de. Oba ya no de ko 17 oko kan wasem saying biom. And then Bawumia. Anyway, one time your comment box anymore.